Hello everyone! Today we're not gonna have a shave, but we're gonna have a quick unboxing video. I have two packages that arrived around the same time, so let's start with the smaller one. I already sliced this one because it was a bit rough from the outside. Wanted to make sure that everything inside is intact and nothing is damaged, but I didn't bring anything out. This one is from HC&C. It was part of a giveaway that Matthew ran on his YouTube channel. I'm sure that most of you already know about him and his awesome videos, but if you don't, I'll make sure to leave links to his social and his channel, so you can hop right there and check. He's doing fantastic content and reviewing a lot of cool things. So yeah, as I mentioned, that was part of a giveaway that Pete Hendrix from HC&C generously organized with Matthew, and they have a lot of cool things, and I was wondering what to buy. Do I need another set with soap? I have a lot, and something that we already reviewed on the channel, the Year of the Dragon. I like the scent, my wife loves the scent, and I just decided to complete the set, and I got the perfume that he's offering. Oh yeah, it is plenty of aroma already. Let's have a little spray. Oh yeah, it's so good. You already know that I love this scent. That's really nice. So it will go with my shave routine completely. That will be the final step. I also ordered a little towel that he has. I don't know where, but I saw in a couple of videos that some people talk highly about it. But I have only one shave towel, so now this is my second, and it's a microfiber towel that you can find on HC&C website. Nice and soft. And it's very thick. It's like a pillow almost on the skin. Excellent, so soft. Oh, there, and I see a small little surprise that Pete included. A little sample. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, I just smell the Year of the Dragon, so this will be a challenge to smell. We have shave soap sample, of course, and that's Taxman. All right, let's take a whiff at it. Ooh, very pleasant. Yeah, this will be a good shave. Yeah, I know that a lot of people checked it out. I see a lot of positive comments, and yeah, the smell is really good. Let's move to the other one. That it's from another giveaway, this time from Canadian Mafia show, and this is from Spot Prints. Peter is doing a lot of cool 3D printing, and if you don't know about him, again, I'll leave links to his social, to his store as well at Etsy. Funny enough, me and him were discussing some options for a shaving ball, but for some reason life distracted me and I didn't follow up with what I wanted to order from him. And it's good that this happened because I won from the Canadian Mafia show one of his amazing balls. I highly recommend checking them, and if you have any ideas, Peter from Spot Prints, he has a lot of options, and you can reach out to him directly, tell him what you like, what colors. He will show you a lot of options he has. I'm just gonna take the first look at this one. Gorgeous ball, look at this. Oh dear. So he has a lot of cool colors, and I went with this one. If I remember correctly, the name is Purple Fog. So it's kind of like washed out creamy purple with gray, and the camera is not doing much justice to it. Look, it's fairly close, but in person looks way cooler. And I love how a lot of his bows, they have this almost like color shift effect. Some of them, I believe, they really do based on the angle that the light hits it. But this one is just the transition between the colors, that it's gradual and it's bringing it on a very similar way. If you like guitars, frequently that's the color shift colors are an effect that some guitars have. So yeah, that's really cool. Look at all the patterns here at the bottom. This will whip a nice ladder, very comfortable size. You can just hold it in your hand. Yeah, very cool, very cool. I like it a lot. These ribs here, they will work really well, and it's deep enough for the ladder, but not deep to a point that it will be uncomfortable. So very cool. Look at the back as well with the patterns. So he has a lot of color options. He has a lot of options that you can choose for your bottom. So make sure to check it out. Yeah, fantastic. I can't wait to whip a ladder in this one. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in another one. Take care.